Hi folks and welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the Decor 9 2.0 Computer Multimedia Speaker. The device comes in this packaging with a distinctive red and white iBall branding on it. The Decor 9 is a stereo speaker with an inline volume controller with a power rating of 5 volts DC or 2 amperes maximum. There's not a lot more info, so let's go ahead and unbox this. And there you have your Decor 9 2.0 computer multimedia speaker from iBall. Compact form factor, wired connection leading up to the USB power cable as well as the 3.5 mm jack to connect it to your computer or your laptop or your device. And there you have it, the Decor 9 2.0 computer multimedia speaker from iBall. Thank you so much for watching.